Yeah, put the rocks down in the grass. Attaboy.
Next Easter.
Yeah. See, we'll get ready. We'll get down there and run next time. Yeah. You run.
Are you singing?
Hey, turn around. Hey, you, turn around. Hi.
He just told Taylor off.
There's Uncle Adam's butt.
Sorry.
Just zoomed in on that thing.
I didn't have to do anything. We could have just come out here.
Yeah, outside, man.
Saved a lot of money. Hello. Hey, Logan, run downhill.
Run. He's like, no, I spilled. He's figured it out.
Oh, hey you. Hi. You just keep popping up in my video. Yeah, you paying them for their acorn removal?
Oh, absolutely.
You all fell down?
Taylor, you are the silliest little boy I know.
Oh, it's going to get even better.
Excuse me. Here.
That's, yeah.